Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable and create a workflow in your account on Adobe Bridge in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, in the first step, launch Adobe Bridge and log into your Adobe account so that your changes may be saved to the cloud and your Adobe account and your settings. So what you want to do first is make sure that the workflow tab and the workflow details tab here in the bottom left is enabled. So to do that, navigate to window here at the top and enable the workflow, task diagram, workflow and workflow details by clicking into the checkmark button to the left or enable the checkmark button here. So next what you want to do is you will see the workflow details here and also the workflow tab in the bottom left. So you may create a new workflow by clicking into this button. Then you will see the settings here to the right. You may give it a name, like my workflow 2. Let me go with, I don't know, example workflow. And later you may add, for example, folders and files from your device via Adobe Bridge to that workflow. Click into save to save the name. And then guys, what you want to do is select the savings option for original file location. Below here, what you want to do is, for example, select the storage method. And however, guys, as you can see, that feature is not enabled for my account. So I can also collapse this tab here. And after that, your workflow will be created here to the left. So you may navigate to it or switch between your workflows and start adding folders and files to it. So guys, that's how it works. You may also click into that plus button to create a new preset here instead of clicking to this button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.